Hello everyone, my name is Praveen Kumar Singh. Welcome to the Jungle Board Education YouTube channel. Today we are going discussing about the class 12th topic for mathematics. Its name is matrix. So first we started, please like, share and subscribe to the YouTube channel. So as we know that in previous lecture we are discussing about for class 11th, and it is the new web series for class 12th. Let's start it. So the matrix is the one of the most important topic, the chapter number 3. What we understand in matrix is all about the row and column, how we combine the row and column, and whatever we operation we are doing in future in matrices, so we are doing with the row and column. So what is the row and what is the column? As we know that, so the row is all about the horizontal and vertical lines, the column and rows. So why we are using the matrices? Like if I say you three friends are going and buying some pen and create a combination for it. Now what we do, we create a combination. For creating a combination for a multiple person, we have a chance to discussing about the matrices. Now what is the definition of the matrix? A matrix is a rectangular array of number. It is denoted by closed bracket. One of the most important thing is, so what we understand, first we need to understand two things here. One is matrices, second is determinant. So what is the matrices? A matrix is a rectangular array of numbers, symbol or expression arranged in row and column. As I say, it is a fully arrangement of the row and column in a row and column respectively. A matrix with m row and n column, not necessarily it is m or n, it is a number of rows and number of column. So we noted the different. The column is called m into n, and m into n matrix or m by n matrix, where m and n are called metric dimension. Please remember this thing, m into n, because it is called the order of the matrix or dimension. How many rows in our matrix and how many columns in our matrix, we're discussing about into the other. What is the order of matrix? As I say in previous slide, m is to n is called order of matrix. Like what we discussing about in previous slide, it is number of rows into number of column. Here in this diagram, what we see, how many rows and how many column. First we counted the row. First row is this row, second this, third this, and fourth this. So how many number of rows? It is 4. So 5. The row is which is including 5, 9, 7 and 4. Okay. So what is the column? Column like a pillar. As you, if you are not understand what is row and column, row as a plate, column is a pillar. So row, here is how many rows? Here is 4 rows. And how many is column? Here is count 5, 8. Again we counted it. 5, this column, this column, this column, and this column, and this column. Now numbering is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The order of matrix is 4 into 5. So in 2 marks question, as you say, as the examiner say what is the order of the matrix or say about the dimension. So what we write, the number of rows into number of column. First you write row, then you write column. Okay, let's be discussing about the another slide. What is the order of matrix? Like as I say, it is denoted with a closed bracket. It is also called array, as you named in the computer science. What is the array? So what is what is the main point is, we shall follow the notation, namely Ij, where I is a row and j is column. Number of, what is the number of column? Like in previous this, what is the number of, what is the place of this is A11, one row one column, one row second column, third row third column. It is a most important thing. What we get is now, we shall follow the notation, namely A is equal to Aij. I is number of row and number of column. What is the place we taken in the matrix? M into and is indicate A is matrix of order m cross n, where m cross n, what is order of the matrix? We shall consider only those matrices whose element are real number or function taking real value. It is only for real value. Now we are discussing about the another slide. So what is the type of matrix? As we know that in everything such type of type. So in the type of the matrix is column matrix. As I say, as you say, it is denoted by closed bracket or array. So what is the column matrix? As you think, so in column matrix where there is no element except column, there is element only in column. Then what is the row? Where the only element in row. What is the square matrix? Where the number of rows and number of column is equal. So we take a definition. What is the column matrix? A matrix is said to be a column matrix if it is only one column. And what is the row? A matrix is said to be a row matrix if it has only one row. What is the square matrix? The square matrix is in which the number of rows are equal to the number of columns. Like the number of rows is 3 and number of column is 4, then it is called matrix? No. What we get? When the number of rows and number of column in any matrix is equal, then it is called square matrix. Then one of the others, the matrix are diagonal matrix. What is the diagonal? So we take what is the diagonal? So what is the diagonal? Like if I say the diagonal is the middle term, like this 3 by 3, this 3 by 3 matrix is here. What is the diagonal here? 5 2 0. This line is called diagonal. What we, as we know that in a rectangle, what is the diagonal? How we draw the diagonal? It is same. Like imagine, like it is all are point. 5 is point, 9 is point, all are point. Now it is what we make it. It is, if it is make rectangle, then we need to understand the diagonal. If it is a rectangle, then we have only chance to denote a diagonal. When the element in only in diagonal, it is called diagonal matrices. So what is the, first we understand what is the diagonal. So then we, like if any matrix A is equal to Aij, square matrix of order n, then the element entries A11 A22, like as I say, A11 and A22 is the place of the element, place of the number in matrix. Like we have 4 element, sorry, we have 4 rows and 3 column. As we every point, every number have some place, then for the number we understand the what is the place name. What, like if we are going somewhere and we have not any address, how we reach at place. So For matrix, we have a address is called Aij, where I is called number for row and J is number for column. So A is equal to Aij is a square matrix of order n, then the element entries, as I say, square matrix, always remember square matrix where number of rows and number of columns is equal, only then you know the diagonal. So are said to be continuous the diagonal of the matrix, then the element of, so we denoted the one of the most another example. So what is the diagonal matrix? Now we understand what is the diagonal. Now understand diagonal matrix. A square matrix B is equal to B, one of the another, like take one of the another example for it. The be a diagonal matrix of if it is null diagonal element are 0, that is matrix B is equal to Bij is said to be diagonal matrix if only element in diagonal. If any matrix, in a simple word, like we have a matrix, only a square matrix, remember this, only a square matrix which have only element in diagonal, like we draw a rectangle or a square, we draw a diagonal, then the, as I say, the all point are called number, imagine, then so in a diagonal the all number only on the diagonal is called diagonal matrix. What is the scalar matrix? A diagonal matrix is said to be a scalar matrix if its diagonal element are equal to that. A square matrix is said to be a square matrix. A scalar matrix, as we understand what is scalar, when the identity, what is the identity matrix? Where the element in only in diagonal and the element is 1 in a diagonal is called identity matrix. What is the zero matrix? Where all number of rows and column are 0. Place is different thing. All are 0. Like all place, like you understand one of the most important, this. Let's discuss about this. Like this, we have 5, 9, 2, lots of number in this matrix. Like as I say, all number are 0. All number are 0, and it is called zero matrix. Now understand what is the type of the matrix: column matrix, row matrix, square matrix, diagonal matrix, scalar matrix, identity matrix, and zero matrix. So thank you guys, thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to this channel.